Namaste Hariom, I am Acharya Pratishtha and I welcome you all at Bharat Yoga English. Today we are going to learn Sarvang Gati. Now, as I always say, Yatha Nam Tatha Guna. So you can find out about the benefits and the qualities of anything through the name. So what does it mean, Sarvang? Sarvang means all body parts. So the name itself says it is a gati, it is a movement which is helpful in nourishing all your body parts. So when I say all your body parts, if you are suffering from hair fall, practice Sarvang Gati. If you are not feeling good with your skin and you find that your skin is dull and dry and lifeless, practice Sarvang Gati. If you really want to have better eyesight, practice Sarvang Gati. If you have issues with your thyroid gland, whether it is hypothyroidism or hypothyroidism, practice Sarvang Gati. If you want to have a healthy heart and you want to maintain your blood pressure, practice Sarvang Gati. If you really want to minimize the size of your waist and you want to have flat abs, nothing can be better than Sarvang Gati. If you suffer from any problem related to any of your problem, practice Sarvang Gati. But this is not a Nirapad practice, which means not that everybody can do it. There are few precautions with Sarvang Gati, which were not there in the earlier two Gatis that we learned yesterday and day before yesterday. So what are the precautions? If you have lumbar pain or lower back pain, then you should avoid practicing Sarvang Gati. Rest everybody can do it, okay? So to practice Sarvang Gati, we have to spread our legs double to the width of our shoulders. Now that's important, not that you will just open up your legs like this. No, double to the width of your shoulders, that's important. Now second important point is that throughout this practice, your arms are going to touch your ears, or rather your ears are going to touch your arms, whatever suits you. That means arms and ears are going to stay together throughout the practice. Lift up your hands and make fist of your palms, and this way you have to keep your hands, make sure that your ears and your arms are together. Stretch your abdomen a little and stretch your spine a little, and then while exhaling, bend forward, keeping the rule of arms and ears together. Now make a big circle. You can also bend back a little. Back, bring your hands down, and then bring your legs a little close and relax. Then slowly open your eyes. So how many repetitions we can do? You can start with 4 repetitions clockwise, like 1 clockwise, 1 anti-clockwise is 1 repetition. You can start with 4 and then gradually take it to 10. If you're absolutely fit and you really want to lose weight from your abdomen, you want to reduce your waist size, then you can slowly start with 4, take it to 10, and then gradually take it to 3 rounds of 10-10. That can help you in having that slim waist. So that's all for today. Practice Sarvang Gati if you do not have lumbar pain or lower back pain, because it is one of the best gatis, as the name itself says, Sarvang. So giving exercise, giving energy and making each and every part of your body more healthy. Lots of love, light and blessings. We will be seeing you tomorrow at 7 p.m. Hari Om. Namaste.